We still have here in Ghana hundreds of thousands of workers who are paid below the national minimum wage, which is currently just about 270 Ghana cedis per month. Tens of thousands of workers are working as casual employees without employment contracts. In fact, some casual employees have worked for over 10 years. Tens of thousands of workers are denying their fundamental right to join unions because they could be sacked by their anti-union employers if they exercise that right. Telecom companies, hotels and restaurants are particularly notorious for this unfair labor practice. There are tens of thousands of young men and women who are being denied the right to annual leave and sick leave with pay. Some are forced to work overtime without pay. Children are being forced to work in very hazardous conditions on farms, on rivers, and at sea. Some female employees have been denying their reproductive rights to have children because their employment contracts could be terminated if they become pregnant. Unfortunately, some state institutions are guilty of this crime against women. These are but a few of the challenges Ghanaian workers are facing every day in their workplaces. Mr. President, we in organized labor hold the view that these unfair labor practices are being perpetrated by some employers who know that the state institutions such as Factories Inspectorate, Labor Department, and National Labor Commission cannot enforce compliance because they don't have the resources. Mr. President, we are humbly appealing to you and your government to provide the necessary logistical, financial, and human resources to these state institutions to perform their duties effectively.